I bring you another amazing Craigslist find. So much back here. Craigslist, for free. Upcycle, including my garden, my upright garden. I got a little bit of too much sun, but I got this today. It's really sturdy, and not only is it a nice little bench. Watch this. Hello. So this, I'm slowly acquiring things because next year I'm going to be getting a van. Yeah, I'm doing that whole thing. So this will fit excellent because I measured and all that jazz. But I'm just kind of disinfecting in the sun as it is nice out. But yeah, I'm excited.